got some goodies for 335. I'm gonna show you what I got. This is oil cooler. It's a 25 row. I got all the fittings and hoses in here. I'm not gonna take it out because it takes a while to put it back. But I might be using this one for the transmission cooler, and then order another one for the engine. Let's go to the next one. These are 2-inch inlets for this right here. We're gonna open this up, and let's get to this. Yeah, I had to open it and check it out. So what do we have here? Okay, some gaskets, exhaust gaskets, and all right. And let's see what's in here. Okay, I had to take them out. Use both hands, so. All right. Here you go. Here's the turbine. These are 17T 6x6. I got them off eBay. Well, everybody's been buying them, so I want to test them out too. See how they perform. There's the propeller. And I mean, for the price, they look good. We'll see how they're gonna perform and how long they're gonna last. Other than that, there's not much to it. I'm waiting for a couple things for them. Install kit, stage 2 fuel pump, and oil pan gasket, because I gotta do that too. We're gonna be doing it in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned, guys.